What's up, family? Welcome back to Truthville, USA. I am Q. A couple of weeks ago, I spoke to you guys about a pivotal lawsuit that was being brought against Alvin Bragg and Judge Mershon there in Manhattan. The lawsuit was being brought by Attorney General Bailey out of Missouri. His reason for suing them was clearly stated that they had suppressed the election, or they were attempting to suppress the election. They were attempting to circumvent the will of the people of Missouri by placing their thumb on the scale of justice and placing their thumb on the scale of the election, attempting to thwart Donald Trump's ability to campaign. I thought it was a brilliant argument, and I also thought that it was important that someone hold these people accountable, attempting to use the law to manipulate the outcome of an election. But there was another lawsuit that was brought before that one that hasn't gotten near the notoriety, but it's actually making waves. So there was a lawsuit that was brought by an organization called Condemned USA. Okay, the founder is a guy by the name of Trennis Evans. Now, he is actually coming at them for criminal acts in saying that they violated a code, U.S. Code Title 18, Section 242. Simply put, he's saying that it addresses the deprivation of rights under the color of the law, and unfortunately for them, this carries severe penalties. He's saying that they knowingly deprived Donald Trump of his constitutional rights, and he argued that this should warrant life in prison. This code is no joke. Now, he's had several opportunities to speak on this and several opportunities to answer certain briefs, and it is progressing through the channels and is actually currently now in the Fifth Circuit. He is definitely not playing around, but he also understands and has said this isn't about whether or not they get put in jail. This is more about them being put on notice that we are not going to continue to tolerate activist judges, activist prosecutors attempting to make a name and break the law on the backs of the American people. Taking away people's constitutional rights in order to push their own political agenda is wrong. And he has made that very clear. I'm so thankful for patriots like this that are willing to step outside of their comfort zone. This is a very brave man to step out and go against powers like this. He notes that this was made all possible by the Justice Department, Biden's Justice Department, and he specifically targets the Matthew Colangelo hiring, or I don't know if you call it a hiring, do you? If you leave your post at the DOJ to go and work in Manhattan, I mean, do you really go sit for a job interview in front of Alvin Bragg? I doubt it. I think it's one of those situations. Alvin Bragg gets a phone call from Merrick Garland, says, hey, I'm sending you somebody, put him to work. It seems more like the case. But the great thing about this lawsuit is that it is going to force Alvin Bragg, it's going to force Judge Mershon to answer discovery. There's going to be answers given because they are going to have to produce emails. They're going to have to produce bank records. They're going to have to produce information that will give us a clear idea of exactly how this came to be, why it came to be, and to hopefully make sure that we don't have this issue in the future. Let me know what you guys think about this case. Do you think it's a waste of time? Do you guys think that this is something that more patriots need to do to step up and hold these people accountable under the law? Let me know what you think. Comment below. I'll see you guys next time. Be blessed.